Hello, my friends. My name is Walter Williams. I'm a HUD 203K consultant. This particular one is addressed to my contractor friends. Like any relationship, there's going to be some times that you will be enemy number one. Just like a relationship, there's going to be times that the borrower is going to be enemy number one. And there will be times that the lender is going to mess up everybody's party, will come up with some additional paperwork that nobody foreseen. I say all this because doing a project, normally projects takes about 6 months to complete. And knowing from the first time you get your first draw to the final draw, like most, if not all relationships, there's going to be some good days and bad days. But to my contractor friends, I just want to encourage you that there's no enemies here. I know sometimes you feel like you're being picked on. I know sometimes that maybe the borrower is asking for unrealistic timelines or materials they didn't have allowances to pay for. That's okay. As a contractor, I highly encourage you to reach out to me as a consultant to discuss those issues between the two of you. Again, my role as a consultant is to manage expectations of a project. So if one of those instances come forth before you commit to something that you may not able to keep, reach out to me, the consultant, and we can discuss those issues. Most projects that go south happens because of lack of communication. As a consultant, it's my job is to make sure that line of communication runs smoothly, so no issues will come during the project, at least from the communication aspect of it. Lastly, I just want to remind you that, again, when we in a relationship, sometimes words will be said, sometimes actions will be said, and that would leave a sour taste in all of our mouths. I want to encourage you, especially my contractor friends, seek the consultant first. At the end of the day, if you stick it out, you complete the project and it's done to your satisfaction, the borrower will love you. They'll love you forever. They're going to tell their friends, this contractor did this work and I still love it. You don't want that to be damaged because of miscommunication or misunderstanding. So please, utilize the resource of a HUD consultant. Utilize us. Let us act in your stead to get certain issues resolved. And I don't want to let the borrower off the hook. You have the same avenue. If an issue come up with the contractor, before you say something that you might regret later, please reach out to me as a consultant and we can get those things ironed out. Hope this one is helpful for you. My name is Walter Williams again, HUD 203K consultant. Enjoy your day.